Hello guys, again welcome to my YouTube channel. Tena mini yule lecturer wako, nataka ujue chenye huku unajua. When it comes to mathematics, today I'm going to teach a very simple subtopic. That is an area of a sector. And I'm going to do that by using an example. So, the example is, assume you've been given a question like this. So this is a sector. This is a sector like that. So the fact that we have this line here, it's not a straight line. It just shows that this one was a circle. It was a complete circle, but they chose this part here. So this is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. And then if you just try to complete that like that, it's going to give you a circle. So that's why we call this a sector of a circle. Here, of course, we have an angle subtended there. So the angle subtended, we can call it theta. But in our case, let's assume that our theta is 60 degrees. Then here, if, like I said, if you subtend that like this, it's forming a circle. And if this is the center of the circle, this means that this line here is going to give us the radius. And that line there is going to give us the radius. So in this case, this is the radius and this is the radius. So let's assume that this radius here, and remember, this side is equal to that side. Let's assume that the radius given there is 7 centimeters. Now, on my previous page, I told you that the area of a sector is given by theta or over 360 degrees pi r squared. That is the formula for getting the area of a sector of a circle. Theta is the angle. Pi, I know you know what pi is. What is pi? Inakwanga nini? 22 over 7 ama 3.14. So in my case, so I'm going to say that the area is going to be, so what is theta in our case? 60 degrees or over 360 degrees times the pi, which is 22 or over 7 times r squared, that is 7 squared. Is it?
Yes.
7 squared, which is the same as 7 times 7. So by 61 by 66, by 7 1 by 7 1, by 2 3 by 2 11. So I'm going to get 11 times 7, which is 77 or over 3. Remember, you cannot leave your answer in that format. So I'm going to have 3 divided by 77. So by 2, that is 6, and 1 by 8. Oh, sorry, by 5 because of 15 with 2. So you can choose to leave it in a fraction form or in decimal form. So we can say that the area of that circle is going to be 25 and 2 over 3 centimeter squared. Now it's going to be centimeter squared. So you can choose to leave it as centimeter squared. Ama uiache hivyo. Because if you come and make a mistake, uniandikie centimeters like that, you fail. Because the moment you write for me centimeters, that means that you're talking of length. The moment you write a 3 here, it means ulitafuta volume. But the question was, you get the area. So kama hujui what are the units, just leave it like that. But if you know, just write centimeters squared. So I'm hoping by now you know how to find the area of a sector of a circle. So ni nini ngumu hapo? Nini ngumu hapo? So guys, don't forget to